You're in the tab voice.
Here we go.
Everyone donate his name. Not name, just the name.
Just the name.
I just sign up for that.
I've done so much zooming in and zooming out.
I'm trying to get the words and stuff.
I'm doing quite well.
I don't even know how is that you zoom in? What do you press to zoom in on that?
Oh, you go to London.
Is that zoom in?
See the sights. See a
It helps to me. Just by doing that. So,
Who doesn't want to see it take a while?
Get the screen back. Because he's fucked off after taking it, so he's probably going to clap my camera. No.
does that look weird?
Oh no, I got that as well.
No. When I first saw it, yeah, but then both were weird.
No, I got that. I got voice there.
What?
Voice words.
My camera's just about to run out of battery. Is there any way I can like charge it and record at the same time?
It's too short.
So like a minute there.
He's just going to get it to you. He's going to run out. Oh, it's run out.
You plug that in go in the back, I think. Depends which camera you got. Back or side.
That doesn't look like it's going to be on there.
Now, it is going to be a big extender. I'm going to need to unplug one of these, but I don't know which one to use again.
Here we go.
Almost on 0 minutes.
We're done. Finish.
It's on 0 minutes.
We're done.
We're done.
Just said finish. I think we're done. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
So then just show the software working. So now just double click on wherever the link is to load it.
I'll start the recording.
There, Microsoft Word. I agree.
Don't open up yet.
It's like everyone's going to want to swap around. As soon as you record it, guys, get it off the camera so somebody else can record theirs.
So done.
Can you open that up again, please?
That shows it.
Done?
Yeah. Done. Then you take your medication.
I'll put it on the computer now.